Okay, notice the blinking light to the right and up there. I don't know if I can catch it, but it's up there by the tree. Just it's there. I noticed after sitting here for a while that when those lights come on of this super tall, amazing apartment complex, there it goes. When those lights come on, they're for hailing a cab, if I'm not mistaken. I noticed after sitting here for 5 minutes, those lights come on, and a cab comes up, somebody jumps in the cab, drives off, and lights turn off. That's my hypothesis. Let's watch and see if a cab drives up. Not a cab. Oh, there's the cab. Drives up. Oh wait, the guy also comes out and he whistles for a cab. Wow, fancy, fancy. Somebody just got in. And now the cab's moving. Okay, let's see. The light's still blinking. Ah, there goes all the lights. Off. All the lights are turned off. Even the ones on the corner over there. Oh, there it goes again. Oh, wait. Nope. They're turned off again. So, I'm assuming they're for hailing a cab. Fancy, fancy, fancy. You live in this multi-story apartment building? Wait. There it goes. And I guess you can get somebody to hail a cab for you. Fancy schmancy.